Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI 11T and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with show grid lines button. So just one tap here and we can turn them on, another tap to turn them off. The yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the viewfinder we can see them. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. Once again let's tap to right corner and now to show grid lines button at the bottom, so we can get access to more options about the grid lines. Here we have 4 types of it, so let me change them to the second one, and as you can see this is how they change it. And here we get access also to spirals from the left side and from the right side, so you can stay on whatever you need. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to left button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go to right corner button and simply tap to this one with show grid lines to turn them off, so for now in the preview they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.